Welcome to EZLOGZ. This video is part of a series of training videos with helpful and in-depth information on our products. Find out how EZLOGZ can increase your fleet performance and save money. Removing terminated drivers. The carrier still has access to the driver's logbook for at least 6 months, even after removing the driver from the fleet. Removing a driver from the fleet is important so that the driver can no longer drive the vehicle under his direction. Enter the Safety menu and the Users submenu. Apply to 3 dots and wrap the item Remove from the fleet. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch with our support, which is available 24/7.